Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Bun Rieu. So this is not the authentic way, it's a more simple and easy way, especially if you don't have all of the ingredients needed to make this dish. The ingredients that you will need are some dry vermicelli noodles, vegetable stock, or you can also use chicken stock. I'm going to use vegetable stock along with 2 bouillon cubes. Crab meat, I'm using claws and lumps, and white meat. You'll also need minced prawns and spices, or you can use minced crab and spices, whichever one you can find. Some chili oil, about 10 garlic cloves, fried tofu, about 5 to 6 tomatoes, a pound of shrimp, 1 lemon, 1 egg, black pepper, fish sauce, bean sprouts, cilantro, and green onions. Start by bringing a pot of water to boil and cook your vermicelli noodles according to the package instructions. While the noodles are cooking, we're going to prepare our shrimp and crab mixture. Go ahead and make sure you have washed your shrimp thoroughly and pat dry them. Place it onto a cutting board and you are going to chop them until they're nice, kind of like a paste, and then you're going to set it aside into a large bowl. Now we're going to open all the cans of crab. Make sure that you drain the liquid into another bowl, but save it for later. We're going to use it. And then put all the meat into the same big bowl as the shrimp. Go ahead and combine the shrimp and crab together. And then you're going to also add in the minced prawns or minced crab into the bowl, and then you're also going to add in the egg and season with black pepper. I also forgot to mention that you will need to thinly slice the green onions, so go ahead and wash them, cut off the ends, and then thinly slice the green parts, and then add it to the bowl of meat. Go ahead and mix to combine. Cover with saran wrap and then place in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Make sure to check your noodles, and once it's cooked, go ahead and wash, drain, and set aside. Next, take your tofu and then you're going to cut them into cubes. Set the tofu in a bowl and put it aside, and then you're going to take the tomatoes, make sure they are washed, and then cut it in half and then cut it into thirds. Then take your garlic, and if it's not peeled, go ahead and peel it, and then you can go ahead and mince it. I'm going to use my mortar and pestle, but you can use any method that you would like. In a small saucepan, I'm going to add in the vegetable stock. Once it's boiled, I'm going to add in the liquid from the crab cans, and then I'm going to add in the 2 bouillon cubes and 2 cups of water. Go ahead and stir to combine. In a big pot, add a tablespoon of chili oil and all of the minced garlic. Go ahead and saute for about 30 seconds, and then you're going to add in the tomatoes. Saute for about 1 minute. Then add in the vegetable stock to the big pot. Bring to a boil. Meanwhile, make sure that your cilantro has been washed and then go ahead and chop them up. Once the broth has been boiled, you are going to get your crab and shrimp mixture out of the fridge, and then with a spoon you're going to put spoonfuls of that mixture into the pot. Cook for about 5 minutes or until boiled, and then you're going to add in all of the tofu. Give it a quick stir and then let it cook for about another 5 minutes. You can also add more water if there's little liquid, and you can also give it a taste and add more fish sauce according to your taste. To assemble, get a big bowl, add in your noodles, and then add in the broth. Top it off with some green onions, cilantro. You can also add in bean sprouts. I didn't add it to this one, but you can if you want, and squeeze some lemon. And that is just one way to make Bun Rieu if you don't have all of the ingredients in a store nearby. You can try this if you just need a fix because it tastes just like it. Enjoy!